Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So before we'll start, I've got two disclaimers. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi for downloading anything. Then let's enter the Play Store. And the second disclaimer, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, no worries. We've got the tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this CUBOT device. So let's check it. You can also do it right now. Your device will show you the option to log in or sign up, and only after that you will be able to do what I do. So let's enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on my apps and games. Here we have to enter manage and tap on updates available. So as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device and are able to be updated. If you want to, you can update all of them, of course, just mark all. If not, you can just choose specific apps. And I'll choose, for example, Google Chrome, Google Maps, Google Meet, and maybe TV and phone. And messages. All right. So basically, mark the updates, mark the apps, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. So tap on it, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you do not have to wait here. You can just turn it off completely. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.